Hello, dear students. Welcome to Hybrid Learning. So today we are going to continue the electricity numerical series. Okay. Today we will do question number 15 and 16 from the NCERT exercise. So let's get started. So question number 15, two lamps, one rated 100 watt 220 volt and other 60 watt at 220 volt are connected in parallel to electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt? Okay, so this is a very important question from your board's point of view. If you go through your past year questions, you can see that this question has come multiple times. Okay, so what do we do here? Here we have to find the current from the line if the source voltage is 220 volt and both of these lamps are connected in parallel to each other, right? Okay, so now let's take up the lamp 1. So for lamp 1, we have the power rated. So I'm writing P1 as 100 watt and voltage is the same, that is 220 volt. Okay. Now for lamp 2, so I'm writing P2, that is 60 watt and I'm writing volt, which is same 220 volt. So let's find the current for the first one. So I'm taking for the first one, that is I1. So we already know the formula P is equal to VI. So power is equal to voltage into current. So we are going to use the same formula. So I can write this as I is equal to P by V. So we're going to apply here. So I1 is equal to P1 by V. So which is 100 by 220. So 0, 0 cancel. This is 10 by 22. So I can reduce it to 5 to 11. That is 5 by 11 amperes because current's SI unit is ampere. Next, for the second one, I2, the same way I'm going to take P2 by V, which is 60 divided by 220 volt. So 0, 0 cancel, which is 6 by 22. So I'm cancelling it by 2, which is coming out to be 3 by 11 ampere. Okay. So now if you recall in parallel supply, right, what is happening? The current gets divided into two parts, right? So if I connect a small circuit, suppose if I consider this is my lamp 1 and if I consider this is my lamp 2, just a diagram, this is my two sides, suppose it is A and B, two junctions, okay? So these two are connected. So the current will go into branched part, right, from L1. So for the lamp 1, it is I1. From lamp 2, it is I2. Finally, it will meet and it will produce a total current. So total current, which is I, is given by I1 plus I2. So now if you add them, that is 5 by 11 plus 3 by 11, simple addition, that is given by 8 by 11. So now you can basically keep it in this way, or you can also write it in your decimal format. So if you do it around 0.727 ampere, you will get the answer. This is my final answer for the total current drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt. Now let's go to the next question, question number 16. Which uses more energy, a 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes? So we have to find energy. So it's typically the electrical energy which is being consumed. So let's find out. First, we will take the TV set. So for the TV set, power is 250 watt and the time is 1 hour. So if you remember, electrical energy is usually measured in unit. Unit is nothing but kilowatt hour. Okay. So let's consider now kilowatt hour. From it, we can understand what units we have to consider. So power is in watt. We should first change it to kilowatt. So my energy, so I'll write E1 for the TV, that is power into time. So my power is 250. So if I have to convert watt to kilowatt, so what I'll write? 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt, right? That is how we usually take it. So when you have to convert it, so what I'll do from watt to kilowatt, I'll do divided by 1000. Into time will always be in hour because it's kilowatt hour. So we don't need to convert that. So 0, 0 cancel. So I can simply write it as 0.25 kilowatt hour. So I got it for the TV. Now let's write for the toaster. So for the toaster, my power is given 1200 watt and my time is given 10 minutes. So the energy, I'm writing it as P2, which is power into time again, which is 1200. Obviously, I need to convert it into kilowatts. So by 1000 divided by time. Now time is now 10 minutes. So obviously, I have to convert it into hour. So I'll divide it by 60. 0, 0 cancel, 2, 0, 2, 0 cancel. 6 2s are 12. So 2 by 10 is nothing but 0.2. Rather, I can write 0.20 kilowatt hour. So clearly you can see the difference, right? So the question is which one uses more energy? So obviously the TV uses more energy. Now see, you can do this problem in another way. Okay, so if you're not comfortable with converting it into kilowatt hour, you can also do it in joules. It's the same way. So answer will be the same thing. Okay, but this is much more favorable and this is very easy for you to do because you just have to convert the kilowatt. Okay, always remember unit is nothing but kilowatt hour. So the power is in kilowatt and your time is in hour. So if it is given in some other unit, convert it and you can directly write the energy. I hope you understand the question. Okay, if you have doubt, please let us know in the comment box. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and follow us for more. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.